English into Karbi translation. They are happy because they won a prize. Halatum ke aning ke karong athema halatum ke hayanong e kelong. If they finish early, we can watch a movie. Halatum jong si petang daprang te itum lam arjan lang dun long po. I was curious, so I asked my teacher. Ne chini ing tung pik la sine ne than bang aphan karjulo. She won a prize, so she was very happy. Alang li ke hayanong e kelong la si alang li aningarong piklo. I am thankful because you helped me. Ne choro piglo athema nang ne phan ne kerap. If we can see our friends, we can say hello. Jong si itum ajirpo ajirpi aphan theklong lote kardom itum punangji. I stay home because it was raining. Ne hem sido athema arve ke janglok. If you learn hard, you will pass the exam. Nang jong si kacharli cepaduk lote nang satlang unji. If he is free, he will join us. Alang li jong si aporjoy ke pulote alang li itumalong nang celang dun po. If they are busy, we can come back later. Alang litum jong sa apor awe pulote mo apile itum wang lonang. It rained, so I used an umbrella. Arve kejang la sini nudeng kachikup. He is happy because he got a new job. Alang li ke aning ke karong athema alang li woreng ki mikelong. If they invite us, we should go. Jong si halatum itum aphanang chopha pulote itum ta dunang. He stayed silent because he was shy. Alang li dothak joy athema alang li ke katherak. They were late because the bus broke down. Alang litum derchet lo athema hem konglong henodak. If you are hungry, eat something. Nangjong si ingchir duk pulute ison bak chonon. If we have time, we can watch a movie. Itum jong sa pordo pulute itum lam arjan lang dunlong ji. She wanted fresh air, so she opened the window. Alang li tomon kang sam nang ji la si alang li mun hap kang pulo. I brought an umbrella because it might rain later. Ne nudeng chewan athema muan arve jangdu tahai. He is smiling because he got good news. Alang li ki ingnek hing athema alang li mission abirta kelong. If you feel tired, you should rest. Nang li jong si lak hui pulote nang li sang iktha. If they are free, they can join us for dinner. Alang litum jong sa pordo pulute alang litum pen ningde an chorapet lonang. She stay calm because she hear good news. Alang li duthak joy athema alang li birta ke me karju. They are excited because the festival starts tomorrow. Alang litum che hok piklo athema pinap ke rong aje ke chenglo. If we hurry, we can catch the bus. Itum jong si paprap lote itum hem konglong phudun po. If we arrive on time, we can get good seats. Itum jong sa porateng pen lelote itum mesan ang hoy long dun po. We felt tired, so we rest for a while. Itum lak huilo la si itum malom so sang sinang. I smile because I saw an old friend. Ne ingnek hing athema jirpo barim aphani kachit heklong. I was bored, so I went for a walk. Ne dunu si la si ne kijo idam. She is sad because she lost her phone. Alang li aning ke oya the malang li sepalat ing bocok. If he arrives late, we will start without him. Alang li jong sinang li derchete alang li aveseta nitum chengpo. It was dark, so I turned on the light. Ingting sang lo la sine meka pakar. She laughed because the joke was funny. Alang li kang nek athema kapachela ing nek meme. If she finished quickly, we can leave soon. Alang li jong si petang daprang te itum dam long daprang po. Can we meet today or is tomorrow better? Itum pini chetong jima mate penap si kemelo. We tried hard but we could not finish in time. Nitum cepaduglo seta nitum aporteng pen patangun edadlo. That's all for today. Subscribe now and see you next video. Thanks for watching.